Hello everyone, I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library. And this is...
Elliot, and this is Boo!
That's Boo, and this is Elliot. And we are here today to show you a fun environmental activity you can do with your kids at home. We are going to be making a bug hotel. It's true. A hotel for bugs. So you can use all kinds of materials for this. The frame of our bug hotel is actually going to be this old wooden silverware drawer that is broken. So I was just going to get rid of it anyway, so why not use it for something else? And it's great because it's a hotel, right? So it's already got some individual compartments. But if you don't have one of these at home that you're trying to get rid of, you can use so many things for a bug hotel. You can use a cinder block. You can use a clean 2-liter bottle that's empty, obviously. And you can use a planter, an empty plant holder. You can use a corrugated cardboard box. You can use all kinds of materials that you can use for the frame for your hotel. So you might wonder where all of this stuff came from. Where did this stuff come from? Outside, it's true. We had lots of fun gathering some of the materials for our bug hotel in our walks in our wonderful county parks. We collected things that we found that had fallen on the trails, like pine cones and Spanish moss that had fallen from the trees. And rocks and leaves. So we got some neat materials to use for our bug hotel. So now we can just get creative. And it's a great activity for kids to get to use their imaginations and make it construct a fun place for bugs to live. So I want to show you something cool that I read that you could do. So we've got some empty tissue rolls, which of course everyone will have at home. And if we cut them, we can make them into little rooms in our hotel, right? So that can be like individual compartments. So should we make some different rooms, do you think?
Mm-hmm.
How many different rooms should we have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 rooms? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do it there. That'll be perfect. And then different kind of bugs can move in. And so once this is made, it of course will go outside because we want to keep the bugs outside. And hopefully some bugs will move in and take advantage of this cool hotel, and then kids can study them and look at them and observe them and see what they do. Do you know what somebody who studies bugs is called?
Well,
An entomologist.
yeah.
Can you say entomologist?
Entomologist.
Did you know that someone's whole job just to study bugs? You knew that? Of course you did. You know a lot of things. Why don't you start putting some stuff in here? Decorating their rooms. You can put little bits of greenery.
Boo's gonna help. He's gonna knock it in with his tongue.
Oh, thank you, Boo. Thanks for the assist. We can do some little shrubbery. So I was researching entomologists, people who study bugs.
How
Ooh,
can
perfect.
we put that in there?
I think we can do this. Let's see. It might be a little too long. Should we snap it in half?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Hold straight. Okay, now you can put this other piece wherever you want it to go. Oh, look, it came with a bug. Come back, little guy. We got a hotel for you. Yay! Okay.
Well, what
We've
bug
got our
was-
first guest.
What bug was it?
It looks like a little, maybe a roly-poly. I love roly-polies. That's my favorite kind of bug. Why don't you put some more?
Looks like he loves it.
He does look like he loves it. So, people that study bugs are called entomologists. And when I was doing my research for this fun project, I learned, because February is Black History Month, that currently, the biggest organization devoted to the science of entomology recently just had the first Black president ever of the organization, Dr. Alvin Simmons, and he lives here in Charleston. I'm assuming he lives here. He works here at the U.S. Vegetable Research Lab. So I thought that was super cool. It was super neat fact to help talk to kids about Black History Month and cool careers, and a local person that's doing big things and studying bugs. What do you want to do when you grow up, Elliot?
I want to have 100 kids and play with them.
100 kids and play with them? You'd be good at that. You're very fun. Ooh, I love this. So look what we've done here. So what kind of stuff is in our hotel for the bugs to do? Is there little beds for them to sleep?
Right here.
Yes, their beds.
And here's another bed.
Oh, that's very nice. And what can they, do they need anything to play on or sit on?
Yeah. They need to sit and play.
Yeah?
They can play with this thing. And we will lie on. And let's put this for the one to sit.
So your job when you grow up is you're going to have 100 kids and play with them?
Yeah.
I love that. You know what my job is?
What?
Where do I work?
I don't know.
You know where I work?
In Charlotte County, Charleston.
In Charleston County. Yeah, that's right. But where? At the
Library.
At the library. That's right. So I get to do so many fun things for my job, and one of them is doing fun activities like this with you.
Mm-hmm.
So we can show kids at home and parents a fun thing you can do with your kids.
How can we do the roof?
That is, oh, that's a good, we'll have to talk about how we're going to build our roof. Because there's multiple components to this. Of course, you get to gather the things with your kids, you get to be out in nature, you get to talk with them while you construct your hotel, and then let them observe the bugs that come. So, we've made our bug hotel.
Bill is eating my fingers, all you kids.
All you kids, look, check it out. So we're gonna set our hotel outside now, and Elliot and I can observe all the cool things we see, and hopefully you'll try this at home too, and use whatever materials you have on hand to make your own bug hotel. Thanks for hanging out with us. Do you want to say anything before we go?
Bill is gonna eat you when you come.
Yikes! Watch out. We'll see you later. Bye.